All right, I'm ready to go. All right, 30 seconds to go. Welcome to the On Time On Target morning day trade of the day. We have four screens in front of you. We have the SPY all the way to the left on a 1 minute chart. We have Gamble Long if you're interested in taking a long today, but I would recommend shorts. My number one shorts at NCLH. They're in the upper right. There's the opening bell. Again, negativity associated with COVID is why we'd be in that name. And then the one off to the far right is UAL. Same thesis. All right, let's start looking at getting into NCLH. Going to take this pretty quick here. So let's use, what did I say for the stop? 20-cent stop, 20 up to 80 if we get in at 60. Let's do 1760 here. So again, 1760 is going to be our entry point. Did it hit it? Yep, it hit it. So get that in. Going off camera so I don't look at myself. So we're in at 1760. Again, 20-cent stop, so it's going to be up here at 1780. I'll draw it at 77 just so we can see it. Hopefully we don't ever see it again, right? So again, here's our entry point. I do have time to draw the arrow down, but it's not going to let me draw the arrow because I'm bad at this arrow thing. There we go. Oh, well, that's our down arrow. All right, first stop is going to be down at 1740. We're not there yet, but we certainly do like it the way it's setting up. So if you want to check back, see what your actual entry point was. I'm always curious as to where I'm exactly in at. Where are we here? We're at our 1R point, so 1240. So things are going well. So 1260, 20 cents down to 1240. That's 1R. So there's our one. All right, looking for 1720 and then 17 even for our exit. So just let it go. I like where we are with our trade. I have no concerns with it at all. Make sure I have the stop in there, right? Yeah, the next one's at 20. There's our second stop. So depending on how your exit is set up, might want to look at that for a second. 1, 2, come on. All right, let me get my exit set up because I don't have it set up yet. I have the upper stop still in. Norwegian, buy back. I'm going to buy the whole amount. This is one I feel strong enough to let it go all day. Now, if the market would roll over red hard here, I would keep it all day. Otherwise, I'll just take my R. Everybody's R is different, so whatever you put at risk, 3 times that is what you'll make when it hits 17 even, which is down here. So kind of have that ready to go. All right, we're in our trade. Here's your 17. Once it hits this, you can go ahead and hop on out of your 3R trade. So there is your bar, 1. Don't click angry. There we go. That's a 3. All right. So we're waiting for it to hit that. Once it hits 17, you can execute out of that trade, and there it is. So there's your 3 R's. Try to actually draw this again. I don't know why I continue to frustrate myself with trying to draw a 3 on here when it does not work. But there's our 3R trade. Worked great. Now it's not working at all as far as the pencil. So backing it out just a little bit, show you the whole entirety of the trade. We talked pre-market, get ready for it to go short. We took it here at 1760. We used a 20-cent stop over to 1780, which is that high of the day. We waited for it to go 1, 2, 3R, and now we're out of the trade. If you want to hold this, that's on you. I'm not holding it. I'm not greedy. I'll take 3x what I risked and call it a day. So you're on your own.